Okay guys, as you can see, this is our chart and it's an uptrend. So it means we're going to analyze for a sell. First we identify our low point, which is here, and our high point, which is there. So let's go on and draw our trend line. We go to lines, trend line, and we start off there. And we drag our trend line all the way across to find an entry. There. So that's our main trend line over there, and that would give us our entry point. So as the trend was going up, it hit TP if you were in a buy and came back and set a new TP over there. So we readjust our horizontal line on top. So now this becomes our stop loss because now we are selling. And the one at the bottom becomes our TP. This one becomes our TP. So let's go across and shift across and see where else we could enter. Guys, don't forget you need 2 touches or more to be able to enter a trade. So here we've already gotten our 2 touches, and we take it from there. Let's zoom in, chart, zoom in, chart, zoom in, and scroll across to where the market is currently. Keep scrolling, and there we are. So this is where the market is currently. So that's our breakout, that's our confirmation. Remember guys, we only enter through confirmation, not through breakout. This is confirmation. So we enter a trade there, we sell, the market comes up and it drops again, all the way down, and we're already in profits. So we wait for consolidation points to enter new trades. So there again we get consolidation over there. Remember, consolidation is caused by fundamentals. Fundamentals is news that comes out about any country and every country almost on a daily basis. Even when the market is closed, we get news. So there we go. We place our trend line over there, and voila, 1 touch, 2 touch, breakout, confirmation. We enter through confirmation only, guys. Please remember that. And we carry on our chart. Now we're in profits. We already got 2 trades running, and they're both in profits. They go all the way down, on the natural trend, which is supposed to be a sell. So there we get consolidation again because of fundamentals. News made the chart shoot all the way up. So we go again, trend line, and we draw it straight across. Remember guys, you need 2 touches or more to enter a trade. If you get 5 touches, great, you enter a big lot size because you know the market is definitely coming your way. So let's say 1 touch, 2 touch, breakout, confirmation. We only enter through confirmation, guys. Confirmation, and we enter, and the market comes all the way down. We enter, we've already got 3 trades running. One of them are in profits. Comes again, the market consolidates because of fundamentals. And when it does that, it gives us an opportunity to find a new entry point for a new trade. So we go to trend line again, place it there, and we count our touches, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've got 5 touches, which means you can enter a big lot size, guys. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. And then we get a breakout, closes beneath your line, and then we get confirmation. We enter through confirmation. This candle will be open within 4 hours. Any period within that 4 hours, you can enter a trade. But if you don't enter a trade there, we do not enter on the 3rd candle, only the 2nd candle. If you miss the trade, wait for another entry point, guys. So we enter there, market comes in our way, then consolidates again some more. So as it consolidates, we zoom out, chart, zoom out, scroll over, and we see what the market is doing currently. So there we see we entered there, the market came again, we consolidated. While it consolidates, we look for entry points. You can go insert again, lines, trend line, and we start from the bottom, drag it all the way to the top. Remember, never cut through a candle unless the market cuts the trend line on its own. So we go chart, zoom in, go again. There, we got our 2 touches, which is 1, 2, breakout, confirmation. We enter through confirmation. Doesn't matter which color the candle is, as long as it opens underneath your trend line, we can enter. It's a viable entry point. So we enter there, the market shoots up again, we wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. As it shoots up, what does that give us again, guys? More entry points. We go chart, we go insert, line, trend line, and we start from the bottom, from the lowest wick, candlestick tail, and we drag it all the way to the top, just like this. So there we go again. We count our touches before we enter a trade. If we don't have 2 touches, we don't enter the trade. So we go 1, 2, 3, 3 touches. The breakout, confirmation, you enter your trade, goes immediately into profits, and then we hold. Remember, guys, we hold all our trades all the way to TP. So until you've reached TP, we hold our trades. We go line again, trend line, because we got more consolidation, which means another entry point. So we drag, we go from the bottom of the lowest wick of that consolidation. You can call it a tail, and then we go and we drag it all the way across. Remember, guys, don't cut through any candles. And there we go. Let me adjust this properly. There. So we got how many touches? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 touches. Breakout, confirmation. We enter only on confirmation, guys. Second candle that opens beneath your trend line, we enter there. The market shoots up, we consolidate some more. But guess what, guys? We go straight into profits. There it goes again. We hold our trades, and we get some more consolidation. Not every consolidation will give you an entry point, so you may try and enter through every consolidation, but it's advisable you can wait until the consolidation is over. But we go to insert, lines, trend line, and we start from the lowest wick, and we draw our trend line going all the way to the top through that consolidation. Now we're waiting for the market. We got our 1, 2 touches, wait for the market to give us a breakout over here, and then we enter. But we could have entered on all of these consolidations, and you could have adjusted your trend line here to find a new entry. So let's go there, trend line there, let's go straight across, and there. That means 1 touch, 2 touch, breakout, confirmation. You would have entered there, bounced off your trend line, went all the way up. Guess what? It's coming all the way back there again. Each line here, we get a breakout here. It opens above your trend line and closes beneath your trend line. We call that a breakout. Then the next candle, if it opens beneath your trend line, you enter a trade as that is your confirmation. So let's zoom out. See what the chart gave us. Zoom out some more, and we scroll over, and there you have it. You would have entered all those trades, and we're still in a sell because the trend hasn't reached the lowest point, so it's still a sell. So we're going to trade this all the way until we get to TP. Which is over here at the bottom. Remember, we marked that point at the beginning. That's your TP. Remember, guys, before you enter a trade, count all your touches. Make sure all your touches are viable and they're not false breakouts. And thus we avoid blowing accounts or taking ill-advised trades. And that will be it for this video. Thank you for joining us. This is Forex.